My name is Scott Nguyen.
I'm Shelby Novak.
And together we're ID Exclusive.
We've seen a lot more showrooms popping up for specifically the kitchen and bath industry. Bringing these manufacturers and vendors to Canada helps us in Toronto a lot more than having to travel to learn about the products. And that's one of the reasons why we started going to Kitchen and Bath Expo, because all of a sudden the education's been brought to us. Being able to see the selections, innovations year after year is really important for us to make good recommendations to our clients.
One of the reasons why we're actually here in this beautiful showroom right now at the Kohler Experience Showroom by MCO is just that exposure. It really invited us to come and actually see the space for themselves. It is a business-to-business type show, and we're so thrilled that we're here and doing this interview.
Another benefit to this trade show versus others is that it doesn't exactly cater to the end user. It caters to those of us that are speccing stuff for the end user. And so, when we can actually spend more time with the vendors, manufacturers, and get that full education versus kind of having to balance between them talking to end users and to us, we get the full experience and the full knowledge so we can make the right decisions and when we're hired for the end user.
A little bit of a memory of us actually going to the 2022 show was actually being able to see fabricators actually with their machines. How does it operate?
Actually running.
Usually for us as designers, we'll design up the space, we'll design the countertop, and then we send it to our fabricator, and then magically it shows up. But actually being at the show, so exciting to see these machines. They're huge. And actually talking to the vendors and talking to the fabricators and the machines that they use. It's actually one of the really great things I remember is that they're really sustainable. The waters that they use to cut their stone, they're actually recycling these things. Things like this that for as designers, we love to know that, because one of the best values for us is sustainability and supporting all of the businesses that are local and international.
Exactly what I was going to say is that at this trade show you are seeing local and international vendors and manufacturers, and that's really important because there's a difference in clients that are looking for something from a local manufacturer, Canadian made, versus something that's from Italy or from Turkey where maybe there's a specialization there. So having all of this under one roof and seeing the growth year after year with Kitchen and Bath has been really awesome for us as designers and attendees in the industry.
There's vendors from stone, we're vendors from plumbing, all the way to even cabinetry as well. And we made a lot of great contacts. Companies that we would normally go to is all showcasing here, and that's one of the really great points as well, as we're making new connections with new vendors.